In this video we will talk about 10 stocks and I will predict prices for 2022 and 2023 using price to sales and CAGR method. If you don't know what is it, first link in the description down below. In this video I will analyze Apple, Amazon, Facebook, NVIDIA, AMD, TSLA, NIO, Palantir, AMC and GameStop. Use timelines if you want to check only a specific stock. You can see a chart for Apple and average price to sales 4.26, price to sales right now 5.3 and CAGR only 10%. I think 10% CAGR for Apple it is absolutely okay, but maybe in 2022 they will have some drawdown because of Russia. That is why I'm using price to sales 4 in my model and CAGR only 10%. And you can see that the model worked quite well from 2014 to 2020, and on this stage lots of retail people came to stock market, and that is why it is extremely overpriced right now. And my prediction for 2020 it is $100 and $110 for 2023. Here you can see Amazon, and again green line very close to real price, and you can see that it is close to $3,000 in the end of 2022, and in 2 years we can expect $3,300 in Amazon. In my model I use price to sales 3 and CAGR 10%. If we will check Amazon on Yahoo Finance, you can see current year 2022 sales growth 15% and then 17%. Maybe they will have a little bit better results, because if I will use CAGR 15 it will be a little bit better, but it is just plus $100, 3% difference. Here you can see Meta platforms or Facebook, and you can see that green line quite low, and it is not matched with price. 3 it is low, 4 it is low again, 5 it is a little bit closer, and I think 6 is absolutely okay, because now we have some discount for Meta because of Mark Zuckerberg problem, I don't know. But anyway, it is extremely fast growing company. You can see from 2019 plus 26, plus 21, plus 37, and I'm using really low numbers in CAGR, only 20%, and price to sales 6. And with these numbers you can see that in the end of 2022 it will be somewhere like $300, and in 2 years it will be $360. And we can expect plus 40%. I think it is absolutely awesome. And again I rechecked this company on Yahoo Finance, and you can see 2022 sales growth 12% and 2023 it is 17%. Next one is NVIDIA, and it is quite hard to analyze because in 2015 price to sales were from 2 to 3, then it was 12, and now they have extremely high numbers like 21. I will just use price to sales 13. Because it's quite close to all parameters, but CAGR in NVIDIA extremely high from my point of view, CAGR 30%, and we're getting $180 in this year and $234 in the end of 2023. I'm not holding NVIDIA because it is definitely a risky company right now. Very similar company, Advanced Micro Devices, and I'm using price to sales 6 and CAGR 20%. I think it is quite good from 2019, and Again, it is not interesting to buy from my point of view, because I'm expecting maybe $95 and 114. Average price to sales 7, price to sales right now 13, and CAGR right now 64. I think they will be able to grow maybe for 50% per year. And if I will use price to sales 7 and CAGR 50%, we can expect $520 in the end of this year. It is set for Tesla shareholders, and $780 somewhere here. But maybe we wouldn't get these prices because any scenario is absolutely okay. They can go like here, or they can just flat, or they can go up and meet with this model in 2025 or 2030. No one knows how it will be. I will use the same numbers, price to sales 7 and CAGR 50% for NIO, because I can do it. And again, average price to sales in NIO 9.6 and now price to sales 4.5. They can grow 50% per year because they have a low base, and you can see that we can expect $40 and $60. It is awesome stock to buy with plus 100% expected return if you like and you can take risks, because we have a VIE problem, and you can check my previous video, I talked about it. I'm holding only one Chinese company, it is Baidu, and I think Baidu is awesome. In this video, Palantir will have the highest number in price to sales, because if we're using price to sales 7, we don't even see the green line, and it is quite funny. I think price to sales 15 with CAGR over 40%, it is okay, and I can hold a company like this. But if they will fail in revenue growth, we can see a lower numbers in price to sales and share price. Plus 25% in this year and maybe 70% in 2 years. Probably it is a good idea to buy Palantir Technologies, because we have not only Russian-Ukraine problems, also China want to acquire Taiwan. It is quite helpful for companies related to United States Army. Here you can see AMC, and I'm using price to sales 0.5 and CAGR 1.1, and you can see that price can be $2 and $3. Definitely I wouldn't buy the stock and stay away from it. And you can see that it is quite not really good to predict the prices with this model if we can see a significant change in the revenue. In GameStop, I lower it price to sales to 0.3, and still it is not really good from my point of view. And again, we can see $25 and $28. Absolutely not interesting to buy, because I think it is a bankruptcy company, minus 70%. Like, subscribe, comment, see you later.